Warning, these hoops may cause strangers to compliment you mid-coffee run. Today we are unboxing the JuryInspire 6-carat round cut multi-stone hoop earrings, aka Rainbow Fire and Rose Gold. Let's make your ears the main character. Right out the gate, gift ready, box included. If you're a last minute gifter like me, this is your superhero cape. And oops, the presentation already screams special. And there they are. Sapphire, yellow sapphire, pink sapphire, ruby, and emerald lined up like a tiny couture runway. Each facet catching the light like it's auditioning for a spotlight. True story, I just peeked and ended up late because I couldn't stop turning them into light. My coffee went cold, no regrets. The rose gold over the sterling silver gives it that warm glow that flatters every skin tone. It's the kind of warmth that makes every messy bun feel intentional. Quick vibe check, you get the drama without the shouting. Think elevated main character energy, not that I rated a chandelier. The metal is solid, classic, and nickel-free. Air-friendly for everyday glam. The stones aren't quartz. These are lab-created gemstones, which are different. They're crafted to match natural diamond standards in color, clarity, and cut. Translation, you get that delicious brilliance and fire. These aren't imitation sparkles. These are lab-created gemstones. They are an instant mood lift. The color progression frames the face so every tiny head turn is a moment. If your ears are ready for a rainbow but make it chic, these hoops are the moment. If you love this unboxing, tap like, subscribe, and tell me which gemstone you spotted first when the light hit. Stay sparkly.